Earlier today, Samsung lit up the tech world with a teaser that has everyone talking. The focus? Its next-generation Galaxy Z Fold. While most have been referring to it as the Galaxy Z Fold 7, one word stood out in Samsung's teaser: Ultra. Could this signal the arrival of a brand new Galaxy Z Fold 7 Ultra? In a bold new announcement, Samsung teased the next chapter of Ultra. While the company didn't directly name the device, the word Ultra echoed loudly, multiple times throughout the release. The headline alone read, "Meet the next chapter of Ultra." The teaser shows a device with two clearly defined halves, which effectively rules out the long-rumored trifold model for now. What is clear, however, is that we're looking at something bigger, sleeker, and more premium than ever before. Samsung didn't hold back on building the hype. It promised not just upgraded specs, but an Ultra experience, cutting-edge hardware, next-level performance, and seamless AI integration, all packed into a slim, portable form. In their own words, the Ultra experience is ready to unfold. So, is this the debut of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 Ultra? And if that's the case, does it mean there will be both a standard Fold 7 and an Ultra variant? And what about the trifold? Could that be saved for an even more advanced Ultra title down the line? While Samsung hasn't confirmed anything directly, the specs being rumored definitely live up to the Ultra name. The phone is expected to feature the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 for Galaxy Elite chip, a premium titanium frame, and a powerful camera setup including a 200MP main sensor with OIS, a 12MP ultra-wide, and a 10MP telephoto with 3x optical zoom. On the front, it may have a 10MP selfie camera. We already know these devices will be packing serious power, but now something just as thrilling has entered the spotlight: wireless charging, reimagined. A mysterious new Samsung device, model number SMD637U, has just been spotted in a Wireless Power Consortium database, and insiders are buzzing. This could be the US carrier-locked Galaxy Z Fold 7. What's the big deal? Well, this marks a first for Samsung foldables. The Z Fold 7 is now officially certified as Key 2 ready. That means it supports the next-gen magnetic power profile for wireless charging. Now to activate it, you'll need a compatible case with magnets. But once you do, you get more stable, precisely aligned wireless charging at up to 15 watts. Sure, that number might not sound crazy, but this is just the beginning. Samsung is already developing Key 2.2, which could offer up to 50 watts of wireless charging in the future, and their upcoming chip, the S2306, is built exactly for that. No, it won't be in the Fold 7, but the groundwork is being laid, and the future? It looks blazing hot. Now, let's talk price. In a world where everything is getting more expensive, Samsung might actually surprise us. According to trusted leaker Panda Flash Pro, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 may launch with no price increase. That's right, the Z Flip 7 could stay at $999, and the Z Fold 7 might launch again at $1,799 in the US. In today's economy, that's a bold move. Of course, pricing may still vary by region depending on tariffs and trade deals, but if this holds, it could shake up the market in a big way. Now let's get into the fun stuff: cameras. And oh boy, the Fold 7 might just become a content creator's dream. Expect a 0.6x ultra-wide for epic landscape shots, a sharp 1x wide-angle lens, then 2 levels of optical zoom, 2x and 3x, perfect for portraits and fine detail. But wait for it, you'll also get digital zoom up to 30x with sweet spots at 10x and 20x. Concerts, skylines, creative shots, this camera setup is ready. Samsung's not just building a productivity beast, they're building a foldable photography powerhouse.